Hi everyone, welcome to MATCHEPHY. So today we are going to see some important facts about identities. Okay, so what are identities? Identities are equalities. Okay, we can say it as an equality. Identities can be said as equality. So what do you mean by equality? Equality means there will be a left hand side and a right hand side, and it will be always equal. That means it should be a proven truth. Okay, identity should be a proven truth or a proven equality, so that whichever variable we use will give this or will satisfy this universal truth. Okay, so for example, the basic identities we study is a plus b the whole square. Next is obviously a minus b the whole square. Next is a plus b into a minus b, right? And about if we are going for three variables, what about this? A plus b plus c the whole square. And if we are going for higher powers of this identity, that is a plus b the whole cube, a plus b the whole raised to 4, the list goes on, right? So these are called identities. Why this identity is given? We can use these identities in many ways for solving, for example, simple problems. Okay, so simple multiplication or simple addition also we can use these identities to make it much more simpler, as we are going to see here, right? Yeah, fine. Okay, so let's try to use these identities as number identities. See here, number identities. That means we are going to use the known identities or the basic identities that we study in school for doing this multiplication in much better way. Okay, so the first question here is 1506 into 1506. Okay, that means it can be written as 1506 the whole square, right? It can again be simplified as 1506. Okay, we can do it as 1500. Okay, 1500 plus 6 the whole square. Fine. That means this can be taken in the form of the known identity of a plus b the whole square, where a can be taken as 1500 and b can be taken as 6. Okay, so if you are trying to do like this, you can easily say that what is a plus b the whole square? It can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. This we know, right? So we are substituting it here. Okay, we are trying to substitute this identity using a as 1500 and b as 6 here. That means what will be a square? That is 1500 square plus 2 into a, that is 1500 into 6, plus b square, that will be 6 square, right? And what about 1500 square? It is very easy, because 15 square we know it is as 225. So 1500 square should be 225 followed by how many zeros? Yes, here there are two zeros. So for taking the square, we'll take the double of it, that is 4 zeros. Okay, plus how about we do it mentally, this multiplication? Let's see, 15 into 6. How would be 15 into 6? 15 into 6 should be 90. 90 followed by 2 zeros should be 9000. And 9000 into 2 will give you how much? 18,000. That is so simple, right? Plus 6 square will be 36. And for calculating this also, there is another easy method. If ever we are getting a big number like this, just try to do it in a easier manner, like splitting this. So what is this actually? 225 followed by 4 zeros. Instead of that, we are splitting it like this. So this will be 22,50,000. Okay. Plus, what's the second number we need to add? That is 18,000. So 22 lakhs will be there. 50,000, 18,000 will give us 68,000. And the last thing what? 36 will be there. See that? See, by splitting this into numeric, this numerical, if you are splitting it using words, it will be very easy for us to do it, right? So likewise, if we are trying to do the second question, that is 1499 the whole square, the same thing. How we can do that? We can split it into 1500 minus 1 the whole square, isn't this? Very easy. So that will be equal to 1500 square minus 2 into 1500 into 1 plus 1 square, right? So that will be equal to 22 lakh 50,000 minus 2 into 1500 is 3000 plus 1. Okay, so that will be equal to, see, here also the same thing, 22 lakh 50,000, this will be 3000. So 22 lakh 50,000 minus 3000, we will get an answer as 22 lakh 47,000. That's very easy. And adding 1. Okay, so 22 lakh 47,000 and 1 will be the final answer. Yeah, fine. So how about we solve the last one? I think we'll do it some more much better way if you can get it. Okay, we'll just try. What about the third one? Okay, yeah. How we can do the third one? It is 1008 into 992. See, these are two different numbers. So we will plan for another identity that we can club into. Let's see if we can go for a common number in between them. What is the common number here? See, 1008 is actually 1000 plus 8. The same thing, that 8 when we subtract from 1000 we will get 992. So this can be written as 1000 plus 8 into 1000 minus 8, isn't so? Is it easy, right? So this will become of the form a plus b into a minus b. This is the identity we will use using here, right? So what happens here? What is the answer for a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square. That's very easy. That is 1000 square minus 8 square. So what will be 1000 square? That's very important. 1 followed by 3 zeros is 1000. So when we are taking the square, always double the number of zeros. So 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros minus 64. And how much is this? When we use it in words, we can say that it is 10 lakh minus 64. It's very easy, right? For 10 lakh minus 64, don't need any mental mathematics. Just write. What will be the remaining? 9 lakh 99,900 will be there. And of the last 100, we are subtracting 64 from that. So that will be 36, right? The answer will be 9,99,936. So these three problems, right? Or these three simple mathematical tricks, we can use it and do it mentally. Without all these steps, we can see all these steps can be done mentally if we try it again and again, right? So this is a tip for today. And please follow MATCHEPHY YouTube channel, Instagram channel, and Discord. Okay, MATCHEPHY, the key to proficiency. Thank you once again. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.